Children, I am taking exercise 17, question number 1. And first I am going to read the question. In a parallelogram ABCD, the parallelogram is given. Angle A equal to 3 angle B. Find all the angles of a parallelograms. And in the same parallelograms, AB equal to 5x minus 7 and CD equal to 3x plus 1. So first we will find out the angles. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree, as because angle A and B are the supplementary angle because of the ABCD is a parallelogram. So put the value of angle A, that is 3 angle B. 3 angle B plus angle B equal to 180 degree. That means 4 angle B equal to 180 degree. That means angle B equal to 180 upon 4, that is 45 degree. So we got the angle B equal to 45 degree. With the help of angle B, we will get the angle A, that is 3 into angle B, that is 3 into 45, that will give you 135 degree. Now angle C equal to angle A, as because opposite angle of parallelogram are equal, so angle C will equal to angle A, that is 135 degree, and angle D will equal to angle B, that is 45 degree. So now we got the angle of the parallelograms. Now we will find the side CD. So AB equal to CD, as because the opposite sides of parallelograms are equal, that means 5x minus 7 equal to 3x plus 1, whatever given. So we will take 3x from right to left and minus 7 from left to right. So 3x will subtract from 5x, will give you the 2x, and minus 7 will go in the right side and will add to 1, will give you 8. So 2x equal to 8, that means x equal to 8 upon 2, that is 4. Now CD is equal to 3 into x plus 1, that is 3 into 4, 12 plus 1, that will give the 13 units. So in that manner you will do the question number 1 of exercise 17. Children, now taking question number 5. What is the question? I am just reading out. ABCD is a rectangle in which angle BPC you can see is 124, and we have to calculate angle BAP and angle ADP and angle ADP. So first whatever is given, we just write it. Angle BPC is 124 degree, and we know in a rectangle diagonal bisect each other, that means PB will equal to PC. If PB equal to PC, that means angle PBC will equal to angle PCB. That means angle PBC equal to angle PCB. But in the triangle PBC, we have angle PBC plus angle PCB plus angle BPC equal to 180 degree. As we know, the angle, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now put the value of BPC as PCB because both are equal. So angle PCB plus angle PCB plus 124 degree equal to 180. 2 angle PCB equal to 180 minus 124. That means angle PCB equal to 56 upon 2, 180 minus 124, that will give the 56 upon 2, that is angle PCB, we will get the 28 degree. Now in triangle ABC, you can see the triangle ABC, angle BAC plus angle B plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree, but angle BAC equal to BAP, BAC equal to BAP, we can write it. Angle B equal to 90 degree and angle ACB equal to angle PCB, and PCB we just find out, that is 28 degree, so put the value of 28. So we got angle BAP equal to 180 minus 90 minus 28, as 90 and 28 will go from left to right and will subtract from 180, that will give the 62. So angle BAP we will get the 62 degree. That is the first answer. Now again ADP equal to ADP, where is ADP? ADP we can consider as ADB, or we can write ADP, both are the same. So I am just writing ADP equal to PBC. PBC is where? PBC. Both are alternate angles, so they are equal. So angle ADP equal to angle PBC, but PBC is what? PBC is equal to PCB, and PCB is what? We got the 28 degree. So angle ADP equal to angle PBC, that is angle PCB, and that is 28 degree. So angle ADP equal to 28 degree. So in that manner you will do question number 5 of the exercise 17. Children, now I am taking question number 12, that is prove that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So here I have taken the parallelogram ABCD in which AC and BD are the two diagonals. Now taking the angle ACD equal to angle 1, angle CAB equal to angle 2, angle BDC equal to angle 3 and angle DBA equal to angle 4. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 because of the alternate angles and angle 3 equal to angle 4 because of alternate angles. AB equal to CD as opposite side of parallelograms are also equal. So that means triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. That means OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. That's we have to prove and we have proved it. Children, I am taking question number 20 in which the figure is given and some dimensions are also given, that is AB equal to 2x plus 25, CD equal to 3x plus 14 centimeter, angle ACD equal to y plus 9 degree, angle CAD equal to 3y plus 5 degree, angle CAB equal to 24 degree and angle ABC equal to Z, and we have to find the unknown values. So first we will take CD equal to AB as because opposite side of parallelograms are equal, that means 3x plus 14 equal to 2x plus 25. 2x will go from left to right, from right to left and will subtract from 3x, that will give you the x, and 14 will go from left to right, will subtract from 25, will give you 11. So x equal to 11 centimeter. Now we will find the value of y. So how can angle ACD equal to angle CAB? Why it is? Because they are alternate angles. So y plus 9 equal to 24 degree or y equal to 24 minus 9. Plus 9 will go from left to right, will subtract from 24, that will give you the 15. So y equal to 15, the second unknown value we got. Now we will find out the third value, that is z. So in the triangle ACD, angle ACD plus angle CAD plus angle D equal to 180 degree, ACD equal to y plus 9, CAD equal to 3y plus 5 and angle D we can write angle D, angle B, as because the opposite angles of our parallelograms are equal, so we can write angle B in place of angle D. Now put the value of y, that is 15 degree. So 15 degree plus 9 plus 3y will give, we will get the, in place of 3y we get the 45 as y equal to 15, 15 3 is a 45. So 45 plus 5 degree plus z. In place of b we will write z as because angle b equal to z equal to 180 degree. Just add it, 15 plus 9 plus 45 plus 5, that is 74 plus z equal to 180 degree, or z equal to 180 minus 74, that is 106 degree. So z we got 106, y equal to 15 degree and x equal to 11. So in that manner you can get the unknown values. Children, I am taking question number 21 of the same exercise in which the following figure is a rectangle ABCD is given in which x ratio y, and in the rectangle we have given a triangle PBC and in which we have given the angle x and y, and the ratio of x and y is given 3:7 and we have to find the value of x and y. So we know angle B equal to 90 degree as the angle of a rectangle are equal to 90 degree. Now in the triangle PBC, or we can say the PCB, angle PCB plus angle B plus angle BPC equal to 180 degree. The sum of angles of a triangles are equal to 180 degree. Write the value of PCB that is x plus angle B equal to 90 degree. Angle BPC equal to y equal to 180 degree. Now put the value, x is 3a and y is 7a. So 3a plus 90 degree plus 7a equal to 180 degree. As because we have taken x ratio y equal to 3:7, so we can take x equal to 3a, y equal to 7a. So 3a plus 90 degree plus 7a equal to 180 degree. 90 degree will go from left to right, will subtract from 180 degree, that will give the 90. And 7a plus 3a, that will give you 10a. So 10a equal to 90, that means a equal to 90 upon 10, that is 9 degree. So a we got the 9 degree and x is 3a, that is 3 into 9, that will give the 27. Y equal to 7a, that is 7 into 9, that is 63. So in that manner you will get the value of x and y.